is the deepest and oldest lake in the world. Its water is so clean
I've always
that
loved
it
to
could
fish.
be tapped into bottles and sold straight from its shore. 336 rivers flow into the Lake Baikal, but only one flows out, the River Ankara. Lake Baikal contains roughly 20% of the world's surface freshwater.
20%!
In the south of the Russian region of Siberia, between the Irkutsk Oblast to the northwest and the Buryat Republic to the southeast, near the city of Irkutsk.
Amazing.
Its name is derived from the Turk word baikil, meaning rich in fish, a fact confirmed by many local fishermen. The region is rather cold, with average annual temperature hovering around 0 degrees. Considering this is Siberia, the climatic conditions are pretty mild. Unexpected flora can be found here. The Peshenoi Bay, where the average annual temperature reaches 0.4 degrees, is the warmest place along the Baikal. Flora, however, is not the center of attention here. Fish and fishing is what concerns the
I love this guy's pole. Watch.
This is hardly surprising, considering that they
Now that's a fly pole. Hello.
Fish at their feet. Grilled fish is the staple food and won't be scarce.
I never had one that long.
The local specialty is smoked omul, a fish found only in Lake Baikal. The omul is slated at first,
A mule?
then potted for 2 days,
Aw.
and finally it is smoked.
Where did he go?
All around Lake Baikal, life seems to center around what takes place aboard a boat. Well, at least that's what the fishermen claim. When the lovely
Hubba.
prepared fish pours in the galley at sunset, it almost seems believable. And what takes place aboard a boat? Well, at least that's what the fishermen claim. When the lovely... All around Lake Baikal, life seems to center around what takes place...
It all
aboard
looks
a boat.
so yummy.
Well, at least that's what the fishermen claim. When the lovely scent of freshly prepared